Here is CARA app, art and social. It's a new viral app, and the aim of it is a social networking and portfolio platform for artists by artists. So here you can connect with peers and followers, share your work, and find industry jobs from AAA and award-winning studios. Tired of AI-generated content? Our AI detector automatically filters out AI images from user portfolios. Explore our community to discover new art and discussions. So you can share images, GIFs, and videos. Sketchfab links, AI image detector, so you can find non-AI art easily, which is quite convenient. Then customize what shows up on your home feed. Glaze integration to protect your images from style mimicry. Keep track of people you meet at events with QR meets, job listings from Vini Studios, direct messages. So it's kind of like Instagram for job search, I guess, where you can showcase your portfolio. And it's, especially relevant in AI age. So here it is, some update. I just already went to the app and I created my account. It was just very easy. So here is my profile. I can edit my profile. I have my username, and then I can just add my website. I can delete account in the bottom if I want to. Here's my portfolio bio. I can see profile view settings. This is just some invite code. I don't think you need invite code anymore. System information. Then you can also invite a friend. So there is like community account and there is a portfolio account. Okay, so that's a bit different. So here it is, like for example, to post on CARA app, I just want to add like an image, for example, just as an example, if it works. And then let's just and then here, for example, I can just post an image, so that works, but I'm just not sure if that is like a portfolio or this is just a random post. In the feed, it just looks like this. It's you just have an overview of images and people just posting images here. And to post, you just tap on the plus icon in bottom right. However, as you can see, the app is a bit glitchy. You need to swipe it up and restart it sometimes. And so now it looks fine. So yeah, just to post again, just tap on the plus icon in the bottom right, and then you can post here. Then you can go, and it looks very similar to Twitter or Instagram. You can go and search, discover latest. Then there are messages, direct messages. Then there are notifications, mentions, and QR meets here. And then finally there is your account. So I was able to post. I can copy the link to this post. I can edit this post. And then how to add the post to portfolio. This is interesting. You can bookmark here. You can like. You can repost. You can share the link. Reorder profile page display portfolio or so here it is. So yeah, you can just browse around profile view settings. So here it is portfolio. I can just change that, and then invite a friend. You currently have community account to invite. You need a portfolio account. So this is I don't know understand. So account types. Portfolio displays available both in portfolio and community accounts. Direct message in both, but invite a friend only in portfolio. Community accounts are the default account type, and anyone is able to join as a community member. So portfolio accounts have been vouched for by a validated user and display a badge that is an indicator of this additional layer of trust, but otherwise do not offer any additional benefits or differences in user experience. Portfolio users can invite new users or vouch for existing community members by sharing one of their personal invite codes. Community account can become portfolio account at any time as long as they are vouched for. There it is, and then you can just issue invite code if you have a portfolio account. But I guess so yeah, here you have added about so here it is. So yeah, you can just read it out here. It's quite interesting app. Looks like Twitter, but here you can just enable settings like either you open to work or not in about section. So here it is. That's where you just enter it out. And then you just have this. So yeah, that's how you update it. It's also important that right now you can reserve quite nice username. I was able to reserve my first name, username. But yeah, I don't know exactly so basically if you're a designer, for example, you can just add your work here. And then you can just add all of your work and probably people will see it and reach out to you. And then people write, there are developers from here. I don't know what's bringing all the hype in this app, like whether it just went viral on TikTok or people just really want this kind of Instagram, like a job board. And this app, is going viral recently, but seems it's still working kind of okay. Servers aren't glitching. So that's just what it is at the moment. So yeah, pretty cool app. Just, if you want to try it out, definitely take a look at it. By the way, it has like a dark mode in default. Glaze, So here is a very important feature. It's called Glaze. It's a system designed to protect human artists by disrupting style mimicry in the training of generative AI models. To use the CARA Glaze dashboard, visit CARA app -glaze. Then bookmarks, invite a friend settings, log out, and that's just what you have here. You can see system information, edit profile, delete account, muted users, blocked users, invite codes. So there you have it. You can also change your profile picture as well. So that's what it is. That's the app. So definitely give it a try. Pretty cool app. It's a nice time to reserve your unique username. And then also if you're a designer, art creator, it's a cool app to get on this train. So there you have it.